Ladies and gentlemen, explorers of all ages, welcome to the frosty wonderland that is SeaWorld Orlando's Penguin Trek Preview Party. I'm your adventure extraordinaire, Justin.
And I'm his trusty sidekick, Jessica. Today, we're not just at SeaWorld, we're embarking on a chilling expedition.
That's right, Jessica. We're on a mission straight from the icy heart of Antarctica to rescue some adorable friends, penguins.
Penguins? Did someone say penguins? I hope they brought snacks because penguins love snacks.
Oh, well, you're in luck, Jessica. We got a roller coaster ride so cool, it'll send chills down your spine. It's the Penguin Trek, SeaWorld's family launch coaster, gliding into action in 2024.
I heard this coaster is so smooth, it's like sliding on ice, but without the frostbite.
Exactly. And it's not just a coaster. It's a full-fledged penguin rescue mission experience. You'll feel like you're right there in Antarctica, swooping in to save our swaddling buddies.
And let me tell you, Justin, this coaster isn't just any ride. It's like a family reunion with a bunch of penguins tagging along.
Absolutely, Jessica. It's a ride for the whole family. So, if you're a thrill seeker or a little one looking for a chilly adventure, Penguin Trek is the place to be.
And a huge thank you to all of our guests for being here today. Your excitement is what makes SeaWorld the coolest place on Earth.
Indeed. Now, let's talk about this incredible coaster. Penguin Trek is a thrilling addition to SeaWorld Orlando's impressive portfolio of attractions. We've got something for everyone, from the daring thrill seekers to the little ones of the family.
And speaking of family, Justin, did you know that penguins have best friends? They call them mate for life. It's like the ultimate friendship goals.
Jessica, that's almost as amazing as the Penguin Trek itself. But hold on, folks, because we have a special guest waiting in the wings. And we're not just talking about Buck. We've got the man with the plan, one of the architects of the excitement, the connoisseur of coasters, SeaWorld's incredible VP of Attraction Design and Engineering, Jeff Hornick. Jeff, welcome. Our guests are buzzing with anticipation, but before you spill the icy beans, we want to express our gratitude to everyone here. Thank you for joining us on this frosty fiesta, everyone.
That's right. And without further ado, let's pass the frozen torch to Jeff Hornick. He's going to give us the lowdown on the magic that awaits with SeaWorld's Penguin Trek. Get ready for the ultimate adventure.
Thanks, guys. Good afternoon, esteemed members of the media, friends, and fellow coaster enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us today at SeaWorld Orlando, the coaster capital of Orlando, for this momentous occasion. My name is Jeff Hornick. I'm thrilled to be standing before you as the Vice President of Attraction Design and Development for SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. And let me tell you, we have got an announcement that's going to send waves of excitement through your coaster-loving hearts. SeaWorld Orlando has always been a hub of thrilling experiences, and today I am beyond excited to be sharing our first previews of our highly anticipated 2024 attraction, the eighth wonder in our ever-expanding ride portfolio, the one, the only Penguin Trek. Before I dive into the thrilling details, let's kick things off with a sneak peek into the Antarctic adventure that awaits you. Designed as the ultimate family launch coaster experience, Penguin Trek is set to take your breath away as you embark on an exhilarating journey through the vastness of Antarctica. we invite our guests to board a custom-designed snowmobile ride vehicle as they set off on an expedition through harsh environments in search of a colony of penguins. You'll experience 2 exhilarating launches, a maze of twists and turns, and speeds up to 43 miles per hour across 3,020 feet of track that traverses both indoors and outside. Does that sound exciting or what? But what truly sets Penguin Trek apart is its unparalleled finale. As the coaster comes to a halt, you won't find yourself just walking through another exit gift store. Of course, we'll have the store where you can get all your favorite penguin plush and souvenirs. But no, this experience will culminate with a trek on foot through the heart of SeaWorld's own penguin habitat, where you'll be face to beak with the real penguin colony. Talk about a grand finale. Now, I want you to imagine your whole family on board. From your little adventurers, you see a few of those out here today, hey guys, standing 42 inches tall, to your thrill-seeking friends. It's an experience for everyone, young and old, to share in the joy of exploration and adventure. And here's a little insider tip for our 2024 annual pass members. You can be one of the first to ride Penguin Trek during exclusive ride times. Passes are on sale now, so don't miss your chance to be part of this history-making roller coaster launch. This exciting promo video is not the only exclusive that we have for you today. We ask you to turn your attention to catch a glimpse of the actual Penguin Coaster track proudly on display right there, resting on some great ice. So make sure you take your pictures before you leave. But we took inspiration from the colors and textures of Antarctica and Antarctic environments to develop this unique visual character. It's a fantastic preview of the thrills that await when you take the first ride in 2024. Now, let me take a moment to give credit where credit's due. The engineering prowess and world-class design of Penguin Trek have been a fantastic collaboration with Bolliger and Maplar, the renowned masters of roller coaster excellence. With 5 other remarkable roller coasters already at SeaWorld Orlando, including the recently opened Pipeline, the surf coaster, Penguin Trek is set to tie the record for the most B&M coasters in one location. Now that's what I call a coaster legacy. In closing, Penguin Trek is more than just a coaster. It's an expedition, an adventure, and a connection to the enchanting world of penguins. So join us in spring 2024 for a one-of-a-kind experience that will forever remain etched in your family's memories. Thank you, and let the countdown to Penguin Trek begin.